by Santa Ana Park. Sa aksyon,
Pato.
Away they go. Dynamic Jason fast to begin running by Daryl. Ambot sa Imu. And racing in third, Pani Bugo running by Daryl. Incorruptible. 7 legs, second last, while Happy Again is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Dynamic Jason leads by Sam 2, followed by entry number 1. And this one is Ambot sa Imu. It's still Dynamic Jason, followed by Ambot sa Imu. Incorruptible racing in third, rushing up Panibugo, 7 legs, and Happy Again working towards the back. Dynamic Jason by 2, followed by Ambot sa Imu, and racing in third, Incorruptible, rushing up from the outside, Panibugo. Then here comes Happy Again by the round 7 legs, passing the 600 and going to the last 550. Dynamic Jason by 2. Tambot sa Imu still running in second, moving up Incorruptible, 7 legs, rising up to take for Panibugo and Happy Again, but still Dynamic Jason. Incorruptible is sneaking down Ori inside, moves up to take the lead. Incorruptible, Dynamic Jason, 7 legs, and Ori outside is entry number 6, Happy Again. And nearing the last 200, Incorruptible by some 2 lengths now. And on the outside is Dynamic Jason, 7 legs. Incorruptible, Dynamic Jason, but still Incorruptible. And finally, Incorruptible, Dynamic Jason, 7 legs, Panibugo, Happy Again,